In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up Cash App family accounts for a teen and explain how the feature works. Now, we will go through the process step by step so you can see exactly how to invite a teen and manage their account. So, to get started, open Cash App on your device. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and scroll down until you find family accounts. However, you have to keep in mind that this feature may not be available for everyone right away. So if you don't see it, make sure your application is updated. Now, tap on family accounts to learn more about the feature. Cash App allows parents and guardians who are at least 18 years old to sponsor accounts for teens between the ages of 13 and 17. With a sponsored account, teens can send and receive money, use a Cash App card, and access other Cash App features, while the parent or guardian maintains oversight. You will also have access to parental controls, including the ability to monitor account activity, manage a teen's Cash App card, and set spending limits. Then, when you're ready, tap Invite Teen, enter their information, or send them an invitation via text message. Just make sure they use the invitation link you sent through the Family Accounts feature, since it is designed to create a supervised teen account instead of a standard Cash App account. Once the teen accepts the invitation and finishes setting up their account, you will be able to manage it directly from your Cash App account. And that's how you can set up a Cash App family account for a teen. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.